This is a 300-acre research farm at which I'm the farm manager. For 20 years, we have conducted a landmark study in American and world agriculture, growing corn and soybeans both with chemical inputs and without. We have been able to demonstrate that comparable crop yields can be obtained organically while protecting our land, food, and water. This is a working farm where our research is conducted under real-life conditions in order to help farmers address the challenges of converting from conventional to organic. I supervise a staff of 12 to grow a variety of grains, legumes, vegetables, fruits, and flowers on which we test organic practices. These crops also create income for the farm and organic produce for neighboring communities. Interns come to learn how to establish their own organic farms. We are constantly experimenting to find ways to help farmers stay on their land and to grow healthy food. Right now we're sitting in the middle of an experiment that we call the Farming Systems Trial. And this plot right here that I'm pointing at right now is a plot of corn. Those plots have been growing this corn crop here for 20 years. No chemical fertilizers, no insecticides, no pesticides, just a good solid rotation using cover crops. I've shown these fields hundreds of times to groups of farmers and government agricultural officials. The fields show that the chemicals, which slowly poison farmers and the environment, and whose costs may drive farmers out of business, are not necessary. So you can see our corn's doing very well this year. These are organic corn plots, and what we've been finding out is that over the period of the past 20 years, that once we went through the conversion process and the soil became more biologically active, we actually produce more corn in the organic plots than we do in the conventional plots, which really goes against almost everything that we're learning from scientists and that work at land-grant universities that are dealing with chemical fertilizers and pesticides.